Korean fried chicken rice is a delicious combination of crispy Korean-style fried chicken, fluffy white rice, and a sweet and savory sauce. It's a popular Korean dish that's loved for its contrasting textures and bold flavors. Here's a breakdown. The chicken. Double fried for maximum crunch. This unique method ensures a light and airy batter that shatters with every bite, revealing juicy and tender chicken underneath. Flavorful marinade. The chicken is typically marinated in a mixture of soy sauce, garlic, ginger, and other spices before frying, resulting in a burst of savory goodness. The rice. Steamed to fluffy perfection. The plain white rice acts as a neutral base, perfectly complementing the strong flavors of the chicken and sauce. Absorbs the sauce. The fluffy texture allows the rice to soak up all the delicious sauce, creating a flavorful bite in every mouthful. The sauce. Sweet and savory balance. The sauce is usually a combination of soy sauce, honey, brown sugar, and sometimes gochujang, Korean chili paste, for a touch of heat. Versatile. You can customize the sauce to your liking. Add more gochujang for a spicy kick, or a squeeze of sriracha for extra heat. The sides. Kimchi. This fermented cabbage adds a delightful tang and crunch, cutting through the richness of the chicken and rice. Pickled vegetables. Daikon radish or other pickled vegetables can be served alongside for a refreshing counterpoint. Overall, Korean fried chicken rice is a satisfying and flavorful dish that's perfect for a casual meal or shared with friends. It's a crowd pleaser that offers a taste of Korean cuisine in a delicious and approachable way.